It is January and we're all trying to eat a lot more vegetables and thinking that we're gonna get very nice and slim. I love salads, but I'm not a salad green eater. So therefore I'm going to make a very special salad today. We're going to make a crunchy coleslaw Vietnamese style with a Vietnamese dressing and put some more greens in it because we need to eat a lot more greens. And then we're going to just cook up some gyoza. I happen to have some gyoza. These are chicken gyoza from the freezer that I have here that I am going to pan fry on very low heat, and basically I just want to get a couple of sides brown, and then we're going to just shortly steam them. In the meantime, our salad will be ready. Hi, I'm Monica Cheleniak here with Fearless Cooking. Come stick around and help me make a salad. In the meantime, while they are doing whatever they are doing, we have here cabbage, red cabbage, white cabbage. I got some carrots. I also got some zucchini. Whatever you have in the fridge, as long as you start off with the basis of a cabbage. I also got to put in some parsley, and I have here some greens. As a dressing, I'm going to make a very simple Vietnamese dipping sauce, which is called Nuoc Mam. And right now, I am going to put a little bit of water in here. I'm going to steam this. These are nice and brown. We turn them over. This is just the way I want them. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in here. And put the lid on and leave that. And in a couple of minutes, that will be ready. Anyway, back to our dressing here. This Vietnamese dipping sauce is great for any kind of salad and for any kind of dipping as well. So we are going to put a little bit of sugar in here. Sugar is very vital for this sauce. And we're going to put in lime juice. I have about 1.5 limes. And one of the most important ingredients is, of course, fish sauce. This is one of the best fish sauce that you can get. We're very fortunate. This is now available in Canada, and definitely comes from the island of Phu Quoc, which is in the southern point of Vietnam. It's a beautiful island. This fish sauce is made with anchovies and not with squid, and this is why it's such a high quality and a delicious sauce. So with this, you really don't need any any salt or anything, because you have everything in this fish sauce. We're also going to put a little bit of garlic in here. Garlic is always good. Of course, now you can put some chili in if you like. We are not into chilies, but this is where you put your chilies in, either red chilies. Give it a stir, and we're going to put a little bit of water in there. I'm going to give this a taste. We need a little bit more, just a touch. Now I'll put a little bit more garlic here. Now I'm also going to put some sesame seed oil on top of this dressing here. So I'm not using all of the dressing for our salad, but I'm going to use it also for our dipping sauce, for the gyoza or potsticker, whatever you like to call them. Now basically, go in with your hands, wash your hands, and then go in with them and start mixing it. And really massage it into it. Massage the dressing, and also you will get water out of your cabbage. This is a very healthy salad. Cabbage has a lot of vitamin C, and it's really good for you. I very much prefer to eat a crunchy salad like this. All right, let's have a taste. Wash my hands, be right back. So we're gonna put that salad right in the middle here. And I'm also going to put some greens here. And this is a beautiful salad. Healthy, all fresh ingredients. I just steamed this broccoli in water a few minutes, and then I put it in ice water. Anyway, I'm going to put the pot stickers around. If you get a kick out of this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It's for free. All you have to do is push the button. It would really help us. Anyway, here we are. A lovely lunch or snack or dinner. Put it over here. There we go. And I also have some peanuts. We always need peanuts in Vietnamese. Pot stickers, dumplings, Vietnamese sauce, and a great salad. What's not to like? So if you enjoyed, please do come back and remember to be fearless in your kitchen.